Every productivity app today claims to help you organize your life. But what if the best tool isn't packed with features, AI summaries, or fancy widgets? What if it's just simple? That's the idea behind Simplenote, an app that's been around for years, quietly offering a clean, minimalist space to write, capture ideas, and sync across all your devices for free. But in 2026, with powerful competitors like Notion, Evernote, and Obsidian, is Simplenote still worth your time? Or has simplicity finally become a limitation? Let's find out. I've used Simplenote on and off for over 5 years. I've tested it on Windows, macOS, Android, and iOS, taking notes, writing scripts, and managing small projects. Unlike modern note-taking apps that try to be everything, databases, planners, wikis, Simplenote has always focused on one mission: fast, reliable text notes. For this review, I spent 2 weeks using it daily for journaling, task tracking, and research notes, replacing every other app I normally use. Here's what stood out. Simplenote promotes 3 core ideas. 1. Speed and simplicity. No complex menus, no clutter, just open and type. 2. Seamless sync. Notes update instantly across all devices using your automatic account. 3. Free forever. No premium plans, no locked features, completely free for everyone. It sounds refreshing in an age of expensive subscriptions, but what's the trade-off? Interface and experience. The app is beautifully minimal. You open it and see exactly what you need: a blank note and a sidebar list. It's distraction-free, fast, and feels lightweight even on older phones or laptops. You can tag notes, pin favorites, and search instantly. However, there's no support for rich formatting like tables, highlights, or embedded images. Notes are plain text or markdown only. For writers and developers, that's perfect. For visual planners, it feels outdated. Performance and sync. Syncing is nearly instant. I tested it by editing the same note on my phone and laptop. Changes appeared in less than 2 seconds. Offline mode also works well, automatically updating once you reconnect. There's no file size limit for normal text notes, but attachments aren't supported. You can't upload PDFs or photos. That keeps the app fast but less flexible compared to more modern note systems. Collaboration. Simplenote allows you to share notes with other users. They can view or edit in real time. It's great for quick writing or brainstorming sessions, but lacks version control or permission settings. It's collaborative but basic. Security and privacy. Simplenote stores data in the cloud, encrypted during transfer, but there's no end-to-end encryption. That might worry users handling sensitive information. It's fine for general notes, but not ideal for confidential data. Customization. There are no themes, folders, or AI tools. You get light and dark modes, markdown support, and basic sorting. That's it. The simplicity is intentional, but users who enjoy customization might find it too bare bones. Simplenote isn't trying to compete with Notion or Obsidian, and that's exactly why it still matters. It's fast, distraction-free, reliable, and completely free. It's perfect for writers, coders, students, or anyone who wants a clean space to think and write without a learning curve. However, if you rely on advanced organization, attachments, or integration with productivity tools, Simplenote will feel limited. It's not designed for project management or complex workflows. So, is Simplenote worth your time in 2026? If you want simplicity, focus, and zero cost, absolutely. If you crave automation, multimedia, and AI, not really. Simplenote remains one of the most honest note-taking apps out there. No upsells, no noise, no distractions. Just notes. Simple, reliable, and fast.